I'm Glynnis Fawkes. This summer, I'm teaching together with Knowles coming of age comics, creating for young adults at the Center for Cartoon Studies. Joe and I have been teaching together for about 6 years, and it's a fun time every time. I learn new things from Joe, and out of this teaching grew our collaboration on Joe's latest book, Someone's Gonna End Up Crying, for Candlewick Press. I did illustrations in comics for this book. Who is this class for? It is for anybody interested in this kind of stories of becoming. We've had students from ages 17 to 71, and we all learn from each other. It's structured by a series of exercises that aim at getting at really specific elements of creating for this age group. And you don't have to be an artist necessarily. It's all about expression and bringing out your personal stories. So students often have projects at a beginning stage or a middle stage, and they want a time for critique. So we structure the class for people at all stages of development. It also creates an incredible community. We have a really good time drawing and talking about comics and sharing comics, and I hope to see you later in July.